Hi, friends. Today, I want you to get inspired about your creative potential. Too many times I hear people say, "Oh, I could never be as creative as he is," or "Oh, I could never think of something as creative as she did." But that's not true. The truth is, each of us has creative potential within us. You don't have to express yourself in the same way someone else does. You don't have to do things in the same way someone else does in order to be creative. The fact is that your creativity belongs to you alone. Each of us has different ways that we can express it. You have a vivid imagination. You have a rich storehouse of brain power in which to combine ideas in new and fulfilling ways. Today, I want you to be conscious about your power to be creative. I can assure you that you will find rich and new ideas to do the same old things in new and inspiring ways. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. You deserve it.